Welcome to CES 2018. I'm Craig Bremner, National Sales Manager for Massive Audio. I want to introduce you to Drago high-powered amplifiers. These are the biggest and the baddest amps Massive Audio has ever produced. The word Drago is interesting in the sense that if you have not seen Rocky movies, you haven't lived in the United States. Because episode 4, Ivan Drago from Russia killed Apollo Creed. So he was big, he was bad, and so are Drago amplifiers. They're fan-cooled systems that are capable of running at 16 volts to produce incredible amounts of power. They're underrated on purpose so when they're tested and produced, the power that they give exceed the rated system by all measures. All the way up to 10,000 watts max, 5,000 RMS continuous. They can be bridged together and run at 16 volts for an incredible amount of power output, provided you have 300, 400 amps of current to make them run. Drago, for somebody who just wants a little extra in a big way.